So today is redo, put new calipers, new wheel hub on this, replace all the bearings and stuff like that. I'm not going to pull the bearings off the existing one. So I couldn't break the bleeders on this. The system's rusted. If I'm going to go ahead and replace the calipers and everything here, it's a good time just to go ahead and do everything. It's a pain in the butt. I don't like this old design where it's just a spindle and the bearings are on the hub, or on the complete hub assembly, instead of having a separate, the calipers go over like a hub. Because these Rangers used old school technology, they were really behind even in the years before they got discontinued on the third gen. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead, put all new calipers, a new hub, or wheel hub assembly I think they call it, and go from there. So the brake rotors, I got the Duraglass Gold. For a Ranger, it's 540-29DG. That just means gold on that, Duraglass Gold. But I already got one of them out. And also, I wish people would sell these ready to go, but they don't. So you need a cover for the back here, and the part number is 9150S, and then you need a rear bearing, which is this here, and it does come with the races, or the race bearing. If your hub doesn't come with it, this one does. And part number on that is LM48510, and then you'll need the small bearing, the front bearing. And you don't want to reuse your bearings when you do this. It's a pain to do this. Like I said, it's an old design, and then part number on the front wheel bearing is LM11949, and you'll need actual Ford grease for this. Make sure when you get the grease, it says here recommended for Ford. Ford uses a different grease than some of the other manufacturers, so keep that in mind. 25 pounds to sit it. Right, and then one half turn back. On the driver's side, the caliper part number is 18B4759. £27. £25 for the banjo fitting.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.